We are here in Bajaj Auto 5-minute time frame, and I am planning to take a trade in buying side. So market has made this pattern almost double bottom pattern, and I'll see a perfect opportunity and I'll take the trade. So you can see price has given a breakout as well on this trend line which I have drawn, and I'm planning to take a trade at 2926. I have already kept my order ready to place here. So I've placed my order and our order has been triggered at 2925. So let's see how it goes from here. I'll keep you updated. So I've entered only with 20 quantity and will add more quantity as soon as price crosses 2930. It should be sustaining above 2930. That is very important, and it is not like that it touches 2930 and you take the trade. Price has to close above 2930. So currently price is at 2930, but it is not giving a closing above that price. So we'll wait for that. We'll keep patience. So the price has came down from that area and it is again trying to go upward. Let's see how it performs. And we are currently at our buying price 2925 with only 20 quantity. It is always smart to go with small quantity at first, and when the market is going in our direction we should add more quantities. The market is behaving very sideways today, and let's see how it goes from here. So this is 1205 candle, and you can see market has hit our stop loss at this area. We kept a stop loss at 2911, almost 14 points from there. 20 quantity, 14 points, that is equal to around 300. So we booked a small loss today, and let's see now our target and stop loss. So we entered into the market at 1052 at this candle, and then market made a high and then it went sideways, and at around 12 o'clock it hit our stop loss. So our target was around 15 points and stop loss I kept 14 points. Long position at 2925. So from 2925 to 11, and from here 15 points target, that will be 2940. So we kept a target around the day's high at 2940. You can see the day's high at 2940. So why our stop loss was at this area? Because you can see this swing over here. So I just kept the stop loss below that swing around this area, and the target was at day's high. So not targeting any high targets, as this is a 3000 rupee stock. So 1% of 3000 is 30. So half of that 15 rupees we kept the target. Now the reasons for today's trade was this big green candle. You can see here we are in daily time frame. So after that inside candle over here, this red candle. So it had a higher probability that market will go above this area and give a target. So that was the first point. Now the second point was at 5-minute time frame, you can see good volumes here, this green volume and this green candle, so that was a good sign. And after that market made a double bottom pattern here, so we entered the trade over here and I was ready to add more quantity above this area. So but market did not come here and we took a small stop loss. And Nifty, Bank Nifty was also today sideways, so that would be the reason. So that was second reason, this double bottom pattern, you can see here double bottom. So the third reason will be this trend line and breakout here. So if you draw a trend line at this area, and with that when the price gave a breakout here, this small green candle, with that we got a high volume as well. So you must have seen this analysis when I took the trade in the starting. So that was the fourth reason. And maybe on Monday Bajaj Auto can give a breakout, so we can take trade again. So it is always better to take entry in small quantity, like I took today with on only 20 quantity, and when price starts to go in our direction we add more quantity. So join our Telegram group, so because I have been given stocks to trade the next day, I give updates there. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.